Hello, this is Lindsay Boggs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a custom resource that I put together. It's a sprint log. I'm calling it sprint log 2.0. It's the exact same thing as this, but it just looks a lot nicer, and the team seems to prefer it. So I'm going to show you how to use that. I'm going to show you how to view or download it as a text file from the website. And then I'm also going to show you how to save it in Canvas pages and then show you how it looks in a discussion. So to start off, this is what your sprint log is going to look like. This one is clean. So it's, not got anybody's information or anything in it. It's actually the last one we get to do for the semester, so it's very exciting. But what we have here, typically, to show you the reason why I made this, is this sprint log right here. If I copy that and paste it in, it looks fine here, but as soon as you start filling out information and stuff, it can get very discombobulated very quickly. And we've had issues in the past where it extends past the bar and all this stuff, and it's just not set up in an ideal way. And it's just black and white and not very colorful. So let me see if I post it. Is it going to be discombobulated? Oh yeah, there you go. Cool. You can see how it that's kind of a bit of a mess. I'm going to leave that there for a second so we can compare. All right, so go over to this link, which I will post in the description, resource files. You can scroll down and you can actually access the sprint log. Because it's a text file, you can just click on this and you can access the code right there. Or if you choose to, you could just download it. Again, if this gives you any issues downloading it, you might need to disable your safe browsing. Chrome has been pretty weird the past couple of days, so maybe it'll be fixed, maybe it won't. But either way, you can get the same stuff. It's just HTML stuff right here or from this website or, this viewer. So Control A in any case, whether it's in here or in the notepad, Control C to copy. And then let's go over to our sprint log again. So this part is where we start to create a Canvas page for our team to use. So if you click on your little people button in Canvas, you get groups. And so ours is Escape from AR. So I click here. And now we have our own little spot in Canvas to post resources and stuff. So I can go to pages, for example. I already have my own setup here for my team. I'm going to show you how to create the same page. So I'll go to Add Page. And I'm going to call this Canvas tutorial, so I'll know to delete this later. Sprint log. And so this is where we can actually type in things and use whatever kind of editing this is called. I think it's rich text. But there's another spot where we can grab our HTML editor. This is what you need to click on. So click HTML editor and Control V to paste that code that you copied. Click Rich Content Editor. And there is your beautiful sprint log that is always going to be perfect because I've spent a long time making this table and it's color coded and it's nice and it will expand to be 100% rather than a set number of pixels. Anyway, all you need to know is that it's beautiful. And then from here, you need to make this copyable for your team. So if I save this, that's just fine and dandy for you, but if you went to copy this table, it's going to be just as discombobulated as the last one that we looked at. So I'm not sure why that is. I think it has to do with the data that's actually grabbed. So if I edited it and copied it, then it would grab it for me, but I can't grab it from the published page and do that. So to make this code accessible, I'm going to create a table that's just a top piece and a bottom piece, okay? Just this little 2-cell column here. And I want to put a space. Okay. And so this, I'm just going to say HTML. I'm going to make it bold because that's the way my brain works. And from here, I'm going to go, instead of paragraph, I want pre-formatted. Okay. So now simply Control V, paste your code, and that puts that code into a table where it's going to be saved as code. And hit save. Well, it's going to look nice anyway. You'll see. And there you go. So here you have the output of what it actually looks like because we put that in HTML. And here's our pre-formatted HTML code. Yes, it's a lot. It's just a copy paste. Do not be overwhelmed. So I can go over here, I can hit Control-C to copy, and this is what I have for sprint log. So let's go back to our sprint log. I can access it still from discussions. It's going to be at the top since I posted it just now during this video. And I can go to sprint log 5.3. And here's our little tutorial spot. So if I'm going to post a sprint log from what I just copied, here's my response. The response also has an HTML editor. So I'll click that, paste it in, go back to my rich content editor, and there it is, a beautiful sprint log, post reply. Boom. Look how much nicer that is than this one. And then I can go here and edit it throughout the week. I have noticed, so first of all, you can backspace through here, add in your first name, last name, your project name. I like to not highlight all of the letters because if you do grab all of them, sometimes it's not going to misbehave for me today. It's going to be nice. Let's see. Is it going to do it here? Okay, yeah. So if you grab all the letters, sometimes it doesn't format it the way that you want it to. Hang on. I'm going to cancel my changes. I need to show you that this is broken. Okay. There we go. Okay, so there's that. Sometimes it doesn't break out of the thing. Whatever. I guess if it's not broken, don't fix it. But if it is broken, don't highlight all of the letters. Highlight up until the last one, and that'll fix your problem. All right, so that's that. Let me see. Ba-da-da-ba. Yeah, all right. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you a couple of other resources. I have an approved hours chart for the whole team. Ideally, it'll be the first thing you post, and then I've got individual approved cards. So when I do that one, I'll go ahead and make up a sample of, just a prototype team, not real people, and show you how that works. But yeah, I hope that you enjoy this resource. I hope you use it, and I hope it helps your team. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.